Meet Tom. Tom owns a digital table cutter. Tom wants to take full advantage of the machine, but he doesn't know how. Until now. Introducing Kasemake, professional POP and packaging design software. How does it work? First, pick a design from the huge library of more than 700 templates. We call them parametrics. Next, set the parameters including material and click Run, and that's it. The structural design is ready. Now add some design using your preferred design software in Photoshop, Illustrator, or CorelDRAW. Kasemake is also compatible with all cutters in the market. Now Tom wanted more, and Kasemake delivers. Design from scratch using powerful tools like drawing tools, snap tools, editing tools, measurement tools, and more. Create interactive PDFs. Create 3D renderings and animation for killer project presentations. Workflow Scheduler. What applications can Tom do now? Folders and envelopes, packaging, POP and POS displays, trade show booths, and backdrops. Why is Tom happy now? He has less competition, more creative designs, and no more prices per square feet. What about you? Expand your business creativity and profit. To know more about full digital label printing and packaging solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.